Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to factory reset Backbone controller. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're interested on resetting or factory resetting your Backbone controller here, well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and open up the side panel here, and you want to access the gear icon, which in this case is going to be your settings. Now, in your settings, you want to go ahead and select controller at the left panel options there. And under controller, you should see factory reset. Now, once you click or select factory reset here, it should give you the pop-up here that says or asks you, are you sure you want to reset to factory settings? So just answer yes here and just wait for a few minutes and follow the instructions that will actually appear on your screen. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.